Hello again, I'm Dean Karstens and welcome back to Dean's N-Scale Trains. In my last video, I showed you how I put together this Walthers Diamond Coal Mine company. And today I'm going to show you how I installed it on my layout, the N-Scale Santa Fe Northern layout. In addition, as you can see, it's got lights. I'm going to show you how I put lights into this building. So stay tuned and let's get going. Here's a quick review of my N-Scale Santa Fe layout. As you can see, it's a double loop with a crossover. The outer loop goes from Santa Fe up around to the mine area in the upper right-hand corner, and that's where I want to install my mine. Here's a blow up of the mine area. The upper track is the main line. Below that is a passing siding, and below that is a stub siding going to the mine for loading cars. When I first built this, I placed these three lines too close together, and my first job was to move them apart by about a quarter or half an inch so it would fit my mine. So when I laid down the passing track and the siding, these two pieces of track I need to tear up and space out a little bit. Next, I scraped the area clean and then put down a box built out of balsa strips. I put some blue tape around that so I could pour some plaster and not get it on the scenery. Next, I mixed up some plaster of Paris, poured it in the form, and screeded it off with a straight level. I used a large flat spatula to smooth this down, get it nice and smooth. And I smoothed up the edges with spackling compound. At this point, I've painted this my standard granite gray for concrete. I've ballasted much of this track. It's drying, as you can see. And now I'm going to mark off the joints in the concrete. Now I've masked this off as best I can. The next step is to paint with my standard brown undercoat. At this point, I added flat miniature LED lights that came with wires and an internal resistor that I got from Amazon. At this point, I've lined with white paper here, and I put these two roofs on. The white paper is to cover up the slots to the loading area. The three covers and the three LEDs, the three flat LEDs, these are cut out of balsa. I painted one side silver, the other side black. Here I have installed the three covers with the three LEDs underneath. As you can see, I've put little drops of super glue to hold them in place, In that case, if I ever have to take them apart, I can do it. Now I've installed all of the roofs. Here are the connections to the wires using Tycon shrink connectors. So here are the lights running at 5 volts. And the other two sides, and the final view. Coming to the end of this video, here are some photos. As always, if you like this type of video, please subscribe to my channel, Dean's N-Scale Trains. Give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Goodbye until next time.